Dear audience, this is Sher Afzal, the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club Private Limited, an entity registered in Pakistan, headquarters based in USA. This expo is being organized by Gem and Mineral Association, KPK Pakistan. Mr. Amar is with us from Gem Industry. I request him to share about your brand, about your product range with the audience of Global CEO Club. Please.
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Amar Zaman and my brand name is Chroma Gemological Lab. Actually, the brand name is due to chroma is from color and gemology. It is related to gemology. We are doing some testing on gemstones, either it is natural or synthetic, and which kind of stone it is. And there, after that, we also discuss on the origin, from which origin, from which mine the stone is mined. And most importantly, I seen in the market that some people sell synthetic glasses, synthetic stones on a natural, like natural emerald. We selling Gilson in the name of natural emerald. So in our lab we do some testing like RI and about spectrum microscope, and we then we analyze that either the stone is natural or not. So in every region, in every country, I think the lab is very important thing in gemstone industry, because without lab you cannot tell the person that the stone is real or not, or the stone is treated or not. So my opinion, lab in every region, the lab is very important thing in gemstone businesses. So our aim is to transparency with the client and also with the dealer. So the dealer also sell a natural stone, and client also know either I am the buying natural stone or not, and either the stone is heated or treated, glass filled or diffused. So inshallah tomorrow we will can discuss a demonstration with the gemological tools. Today we don't have a gemological tools, so that's why I will give you a practical demo tomorrow. Thank you for your time and for
Mr. Amar, you people are doing an excellent job. Keep it up and grow everywhere in the world.
Thank you.
Be part of Global CEO Club so that international markets can be accessed through Global CEO Club. I'm very grateful to you. Have a wonderful time.
Thank you, sir.
Very nice to meet you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.